Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about olive oil brands that are available in the Indian markets. We get to see a lot of oil brands as such in India, and some are called extra virgin, some are pure olive oil, then blended brands, and a lot of us are confused as to which brand to go for. So today probably I would help you with a couple of brands which I have used in the past and found it very useful. And when you talk about olive oil, you can talk about olive oil for cooking as well as for general salad dressing purposes. So when you talk about cooking, it can be a pure olive oil brand which is very cheap, and one could go for something like say Nature Fresh brand, which I found very useful, and it's cheap too. It's something like 400 rupees per liter. And the other one I just finished is something called Ibero brand, and this is claimed to be extra virgin, but it's not so. I mean, it is just purely something meant for cooking. So for cooking purposes, you just go for a pure or refined olive oil, which is actually a second grade or third grade olive oil. And when you talk about salad dressing, that's our purpose of using olive oil, and it has to be an extra virgin olive oil which is kept and shipped in glass bottles like this one, and it has to be a glass bottle as well as a darkened glass bottle, something like a green or a black glass bottle, because this cold pressed olive oil can easily lose its fragrance and its properties, those good properties that it has, if it is not kept in glass bottles. So one of the best brands to use for salad purpose and dressing purposes is Borges, Borges. This is one of the best I've seen. It's about 500-600 rupees per half liter, but that's easily good enough for you, for your family, for about a month if you're using only for salad purposes. Something like 5 milli of this per day is very good for your health, your heart, and it will reduce your bad cholesterol and triglycerides very well. And there is another brand called Leonardo that is pretty good as well. And there is something called Monini. All these are like 500 to 600 rupees per half liter. And so that's what you have to look out for when you go for olive oil extra virgin for salad purposes. Go only for glass bottle olive oil, dark glass bottles one, especially something like Borges and Leonardo or Monini. And as I said, something like this, I just finished this one. These two are good enough for cooking, but never ever use olive oil for deep frying purposes, because it's not just meant for that, and it doesn't help you with any of its properties we are used for frying. For deep frying, you could go for something like your coconut oil, which is very good for deep frying. It doesn't lose its charm even when heated at very, very high temperatures. So that's pretty much about olive oil. And if you're using for salad, along with this, one product I recommend is the Kea salad dressing brand. This is coming from Kerala, the goat's own country. It's one of the best herbal and spice-based seasoning mix, salad seasoning mix. It's under 100 rupees, and just cut your vegetables, pour a little bit of this into it, and then add a little bit of Borges extra virgin olive oil, and mix it very well, and that's all you need for the best health of your heart. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and do visit my blog ajitprasad.com for more recipes and tips like this. Thank you.